Now, here's one that I don't know how this one's going to go over, but I'm going to say it anyway. Make your own coffee. Yeah, you know who you are. You know who you are, because when I'm in line trying to get my feta egg white kale wrap, everybody else is getting their coffee and the line is super duper duper long, super long, super long. I do wonder now. I'm not a person who sits in line long. If the line is too long, I'll pass and go do something else. But I do wonder, like, you really are devoted and the company's marketing is crazy for you to sit in that long line for that coffee. I am here to tell you that I truly believe in you. And I truly believe that you can make some coffee at home. I don't care if it's instant. I'm telling you, there's some really good instant coffee out there, I'm sure. Now, I will preface this by saying I am not a coffee drinker. I am a tea drinker. So I know everybody's like, whatever, Dorethia, you don't understand. But listen, you know what I do understand? That money. I understand that budget. So you could buy some coffee at home, make it for less than $6, $7, $8. I'm just saying. I'm a tea drinker. I make my own tea at home. I do my thing. It's easy. It's cheap. Hot water. Drop that teacup in there. A little honey. Done. I really believe that you can make your own coffee at home. And I really want you to try it. Now, in the scheme of things, everybody's like, well, what's that going to do? That's not a big deal. But honestly, you're out there getting coffee like 5 days a week. That's at least $20. $20 a week. Yeah, it's like $100, 80 to 100, really. Because if you're getting the most expensive, it's more than $5. And if you're getting coffee several times a day, which most of the people I know who drink coffee drink it a lot. So make your own coffee. If you're going into the office 9 times out of 10, they've got a coffee pot or a Keurig. Bring your own stuff. Remember, don't flip out on me. It's just a season, because I know coffee drinkers are serious about their coffee. Yeah,